Unraveling, a shot in the dark, mastering English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting idiom, a shot in the dark. Idioms can be tricky for English learners, but they're a vital part of mastering the language. Understanding them not only helps you communicate more naturally but also enriches your comprehension of English culture and expressions. So, let's shed some light on what it means to take a shot in the dark. At its core, a shot in the dark refers to an action taken without clear knowledge or a definite basis for expectation. It's like trying something without being sure of the outcome because you lack information or certainty. This idiom paints a vivid picture of attempting something akin to shooting in the dark, where you can't see your target clearly. It's widely used in everyday English to describe guesses, attempts, or efforts made in the absence of guidance or visible direction. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us appreciate their meanings more deeply. The phrase, "a shot in the dark," likely comes from the literal action of firing a gun without being able to see the target, either because it's literally dark or because the shooter is blindfolded. This image perfectly captures the essence of making a guess or attempting something without certainty. Over time, this literal action has transformed into a metaphorical expression used in various contexts. Let's look at some examples to see how "a shot in the dark" is used in everyday language. Making a guess. I didn't know the answer to the question, so I took a shot in the dark and got it right. Trying something new. I've never baked a cake before, but I'm going to take a shot in the dark and see how it turns out. Decision-making. Choosing the right color for the living room without a swatch is like taking a shot in the dark. These examples show that the idiom can be used in various scenarios, from making uninformed decisions to attempting tasks without prior experience. When using the idiom, "a shot in the dark," it's important to understand the context in which it's appropriate. Here are some tips. Use it to express uncertainty. It's perfect for situations where you're unsure about the outcome of your actions. Combine it with personal experiences. Sharing personal stories or examples where you took a shot in the dark can make conversations more engaging. Avoid overuse. Like all idioms, it's best used sparingly to keep your language fresh and interesting. That wraps up our exploration of the idiom, "a shot in the dark." We hope this video has illuminated this interesting expression, making it easier for you to use it confidently in your conversations and writing. Idioms like these add color and depth to our language, and mastering them is a key step in becoming fluent in English. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning!